Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals coming up at the Harbor Freight Leaked Parking Lot sale. So let's dive in. So guys, here is the leaked ad. I want to show you all that you see right here. It starts on Monday, March 3rd for Inside Track Club members from March 3rd through the 6th, and then everyone else saves on the 7th, 8th, and 9th right here on Friday. So that's a cool thing you need to know. It is a little ways away, but it's a good thing to know. Another thing I want to point out, you see here are the big deals right here with Hercules all corded power tools, 30% off. That's a great deal here for Hercules. So if you need any of these brands, I mean, that's a great brand to use right there. It is Harbor Freight's brand, but again, 30% off any in-store Hercules, Quinn, another great option right here, 40% off of these. I know a lot of my friends are switching to Quinn. They've been using other brands, and they're switching to Quinn because they say they do a great job. So 40% all socket sets and ratchets. So again, if you need any of those, and then 50% off Hardy gloves. So you see the different kinds they have. They have just the little cheap, ones that you can buy in the big boxes, and then also the work gloves here as well. So let's go check out a few more of their items. So we start up here with the Predator 3500 watt super quiet inverter generator at right at $600, $100 or $200 off of this. That's a really good deal for that one. The U.S. General roll cab, 42 inch, 22 inch here, $100 off of that one as well. At the Icon diagnostic scanner, always great to have one of these. $110, so you get to save there. Pittsburgh floor jack, $90. So again, you get to save $50 on that. Here we have the Badlands winch. We see these every time there's a good deal. We see one of these, $280, pretty good option for that one. Portland pressure washer, $70. Again, that's a great deal when it drops down to there. It is the 1750 PSI. Then we also see the Bauer manual feed drain cleaner here for $200. So you get $100 off of that. Vulcan multi-process welder, so $850. Pretty good deal on that one. If you need a welder, that's a pretty good option. And then I always like to see these down here. You got the tire inflator, $10. It's hard to beat that one. That's really good. I have some of these little lights in my house, kind of all scattered around outside. I really like them. They go well on like fence posts. They have the wobble extension set here for $10. The dolly, always great to have these. They're 38% off. 15-inch tool bag with 14 pockets here. Okay, $5. And then also heat gun, hard to beat, $10 right there. I know it's the Warrior brand, but still great option for that one. Page 2, going ahead and starting up top here, we got the cable ties, again, $150. Always great to have some of these. You have the security bit with case, 100 piece. Pneumatic tire, right there, pretty good option. $6 for that one. Moving blanket, that's a great deal. $4. I grabbed one the other day. I thought it was a good deal. It was like $6, but still. Hex shank 3-piece here. Socket driver, $2 for that. Little step drill bit, $10. Bauer tools, they're definitely a good brand to pick up. Good option there. We have the little combo kit here for $84. We have the high torque impact wrench for $100. Also have the palm sander here for $20. Drywall sander, we saw a bunch of these on sale around Christmas time, so kind of coming back around here in March. $110. The angle grinder, $20 on that one. Also over here, before I forget, we have the Admiral. Never heard of this brand very much. So $180 for a miter saw here. Then we also have the bandsaw. We saw this on sale for $100 here. 40% off all these cutoff and grinding wheels. So if you need any of those, that's a great thing to go ahead and grab because you'll definitely need some. Back down here for the electric drain cleaner. If you need to clean out some drains, $80, $20 off of that one. Then we have the random orbital polisher and sander, $40 for that. Banks crown stapler. Also have the retractable hose reel for Central Pneumatic, $60 on that one. We have the paint sprayer, $200, $50 off of that. It's pretty good. We also have the Fortress here, air compressor, $170. Pretty good deals on this one. And we also have the pancake option here for $190. So this is the 6-gallon and this is the 2-gallon here. 20-gallon air compressor, $200. And then McGraw has their other compressors right here as well for $50. So pretty good deal. If you need any air compressors, definitely time to grab them. Also see the thermometer here, a little air gun or air spray gun. Folding sawhorse, 500-pound capacity. I mean, it's hard to get one cheaper than that, $13. Shop towels, tape measure, and then also the air compressor starter kit. Pretty good deal right there, $10 for that. Always a great thing to pick up. Then up top on page 3 here, we have the 4-ton hydraulic bottle jack, $15. Great little compact option right there. We have the comfort grip plier set, $15 on that one. Always great to grab some ratcheting tie-down straps here, $12. Solid wheel chocks, 5-gallon fuel can. Your choice, diesel or gas. Both of them are going to be right at $19. Little flashlight. Then we see the 5,000-pound winch here for $160. Also have the U.S. General Mechanics cart for $190. $90 off of that one. That one's a good deal. Another 72 by 22 triple bank roll cab here, $1,400 there. Then Pittsburgh has their 1-ton jack for $80, $20 off, solid. Little ratcheting jack stands here for $28. Then also the 3-ton option for $125 here for Daytona. U.S. General has their little socket trays so you can organize everything in the shop. Then we have some pliers, precision snap ring pliers. Also the Icon creeper here for $75, 16% off. They also have the liquidation sale. Always great to check this out because I've actually picked up some of these. So always great to check your store. They will bring in extra things for these stores and these sales. So check and see what might be available. Also, if this video has been helpful so far, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe so you never miss another deal. More Pittsburgh Mechanics tool set, 225 piece, right at $100, so $40 off. The Super Duty folding trailer here, $500. Viking, the multifunction jump starter, power pack, and air compressor, $70. I always recommend you keep one of these in your vehicle. You never know when you're going to need it. Little battery charger with engine jump start, great thing here, $129. We have the magnetic pickup tool, $2. The cushion screwdriver set, $6. Again, like a DIY set to keep in your truck or something. Horizontal E-track. We have the brake bleeder and vacuum pump kit, $18. We have the portable folding LED work light, $5. And then also here, the 12-volt magnetic LED towing light kit. Up top, we have the batteries right here. So again, these are like the good batteries, not the great batteries, but these are good here. So you can grab those if you have some stuff, that, use them for the kids or use them in your shop, whatever. $4 for that one. We have the storage case here for $6. Precision rivet nut settler kit here for $30. Also have the drop cloth. So if you're going to be painting, we just painted our facility this week. It was great here. $7 for that one. We have a tarp here, $20. Also a garden hose, $15. Titanium has their 125 amp welder, the Easy Flux here, $120, $30 off of this one. 200 professional option here at $5.99. Again, $200 off of that one. I do like this modular welding table. This is a pretty little cool option right there. It has the fold-up kit, $150. Also have the Chicago Electric Flux 125 welder at $100. 9,500 watt super quiet inverter here. I mean, that's a great deal. $500 off that one. So if you need the big deal right here for your house or for something, you can grab that and save a lot of money on that one. Also the 9,000 watt here, portable generator with the CO2 secure technology, which is nice on both of these. Still a great deal, $6.99. And then the gasoline engine here, right here for semi-trash water pump, $229. Also have the standard auto darkening helmet, welder for welding and grinding and stuff like that, $30. We have the Portland electric pole saw. I love my pole saw. Always great to have one of these. One of the great things I recommend for any DIYer. $50. We have the hardwood workbench, $150. Shelf here, always great. You got a lot of stuff. Get you a shelf, $40. Service cart, $75 for that one. Central machinery, floor shop press, $200. Also have the ultrasonic parts cleaner, $140. Automatic submersible utility pump, $100 on that one from Drummond. I've used one of theirs and it works really well. Foldable chair here, $23. Extension cord, $100 extension cord. Wow. Okay. Triple tap. Nice. Okay. And then down here at the bottom we have string lights. Always great to beautify the backyard or whatever you need. Hex key set. Transfer pump. I've used one of these. Like them. Little adapter set, 4-piece. 7-inch wire stripper with cutter. And then also right here the ratcheting combination wrench set, 7-piece. But overall, I think there's going to be some great deals going on at this parking lot sale. Let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing, and if this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.